Her name is Alana Boileau. She's a lovely lady that I really appreciate working with. But back in the day, she worked for Quebec Native Women as the justice coordinator. And she said that the media only likes to choose Indigenous issues. They call it the 4Ds. So when we're drumming, when we're demonstrating, when we're dancing, or when we're dead. Otherwise, we're not interested. We're not interesting. I don't know if much has changed since then, because usually if you look at the stories, they're usually sad stories. Like on occasion, some of the happier stories that they've interviewed me about is when I do like National Indigenous Peoples Day. Does everyone know when that is? Can you please tell me? Thank you. June 21st. Like everyone should know that this is the day the government is, we're supposed to celebrate Indigenous people, and yet people don't even know about it. It's weird that the government decided that September 30th should be a holiday because it's Truth and Reconciliation Day, which is basically acknowledging residential schools. And there's nothing fun about residential schools. Why would you want to, sort of celebrate our traumas?